is 12:47. We're doing a midday check-in. It's Tuesday. It's been a crazy work day. Can't complain. It's been raining all day. The sun finally came out, so that's good. I woke up, made my coffee, and went straight to work. I was like, I didn't even have time to film anything at all this morning. So doing that, taking a quick 10-minute break to make another coffee, get back to work, and I will make lunch a little later today. Just want to power through a few things I have to get through, but wanted to say hi before I forgot. So, hi. Let's get back to work. Officially done with work. It's rainy today, so we can't go on our hot girl walk, but we're gonna make some tuna. Just gonna make a quick tuna wrap. I feel like I wanna do daily vlogging, but my daily is working and then editing and eating and over and over and over and over. So hopefully we can get something interesting today.